Now that we've adjusted the time and length for each of the pictures, we need to take off the zooming in and out on each picture, which is called the Ken Burns effect. So if I rest my mouse at the beginning and hit the space bar, you notice that even though they're half a second, they're still zooming in and out, which is not effective for stop motion animation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one of my pictures, and it's going to be selected in yellow, and I'm going to crop all of my pictures at once and take off that Ken Burns effect so I don't have to mess with doing each individual picture. So I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut of Command A once again, and it's going to select all of my pictures in yellow. I can rest my mouse, I could double click on my little crop tool in the top left hand corner, or I could click on my crop, rotate, and Ken Burns button on the toolbar at the middle of my screen. I'm going to click on my crop tool, and right now you can see that Ken Burns is selected. So what I want to do is I'm going to either use fit or crop. I'm going to use fit because I know that my pictures are the same size as my screen or as my preview window. If you wanted to crop your pictures and take out part of your pictures, you can click on crop and then you can resize this box. Now with all of your pictures selected, it's going to crop every single picture to be this exact same size. So I like to start with fit and go from there. So now that they're all selected in yellow and I've selected fit, I can click done, and it takes off the Ken Burns on my project for takes off Ken Burns for the entire project. So I'm going to rest my mouse at the beginning and notice how it's changed. It's gone from 4 seconds to 0.5 seconds and the Ken Burns has been taken off. So now it just looks like my calendar is moving across the screen and then starts zooming in. So it looks like it's moving even though they're just still pictures, which is the point of stop motion animation.